बहुत दिन बाद आई एम मेकिंग roasted tandoori chicken for my son and jeera rice. चढ़ा हुआ है. So for me, I'll make some paneer tandoori. That's it. Rice I'm avoiding tonight. I'll only have paneer tandoori. That's it. And मैं आज थोड़ी सी सिक हूँ because of sciatica pain. मेरी आंखें देख कर आपको समझ में आ ही रहा होगा, बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So I was very sick, very sick today. Not because of the weather, but because of anemia, little bit of anemia and the sciatica pain, and a lot of painkillers are like somehow or the other hampering me. I know, but I don't want to go for surgery. That's the only thing I'm procrastinating. Okay, so बहरहाल